Messenger RNA or mRNA vaccines represent a groundbreaking advancement in vaccine technology. They offer a novel approach to immunization, distinct from traditional methods. I know you've probably heard a lot about them, but do you actually know how they work? Let's break it down. First things first, what even is mRNA? mRNA stands for messenger RNA. It's a type of RNA that carries instructions from DNA to the cell's protein-making machinery. Think of mRNA as a recipe card that tells the cell what kind of protein to make. Unlike traditional vaccines, mRNA vaccines do not contain any live virus. This eliminates the risk of infection from the vaccine itself. Scientists have figured out a neat trick. Instead of injecting a weakened or inactivated pathogen, mRNA vaccines use a small piece of the pathogen's mRNA. This mRNA encodes for a harmless piece of the pathogen, usually a protein found on its surface. The mRNA molecule, enclosed in a protective lipid nanoparticle, enters the cell's cytoplasm. Once the mRNA is in your cells, it heads straight to the ribosomes, the cell's protein factories. The ribosomes read the mRNA instructions and start churning out copies of the pathogen's protein. And here's the kicker. These proteins then trigger your immune system to respond. Your immune system gets to work, recognizing the foreign proteins as invaders. It builds up an army of cells and antibodies specifically designed to attack anything that looks like those proteins. This is called an immune response. The next time your body encounters the actual pathogen, your immune system is ready to pounce. One of the coolest things about mRNA vaccines is that they don't alter your DNA. The mRNA never enters the cell's nucleus where your DNA is stored. Instead, it stays in the cell's cytoplasm, the jelly-like substance that fills the cell. After the protein is made, the mRNA is quickly broken down and eliminated from the body. However, mRNA vaccines need to be stored at very low temperatures, which can create logistical challenges, especially in resource-limited areas. They also have another advantage: speed. Traditional vaccines can take years to develop, but mRNA vaccines can be designed and produced much faster. This is because scientists only need the genetic sequence of the pathogen to create the mRNA. They don't need to grow the pathogen in a lab, which is a time-consuming process. So, what's the takeaway? mRNA vaccines are a game changer in the world of immunization. They're safe, they're effective, and they're incredibly fast to produce. By harnessing the power of our own cells to create a protective immune response, we're taking a huge leap forward in the fight against infectious diseases. The future of mRNA vaccines is incredibly promising. Researchers are exploring their potential to treat other diseases like cancer and genetic disorders. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.